Hello everyone. I would like to talk about the recent trend in the share market. After the corona attack, the share market doesn't maintain its level. Sometimes there is an up, sometimes there is a down. But altogether, there was a healthy move towards all those things. Hence, those who sorry, I have cough. I will not be able to complete my recording. So since it is 42 seconds, I may be able to do that one. Now 50 seconds. I would like to continue for more than 2 minutes and 250 seconds. So in a group discussion, what is a group discussion? A group discussion is one where a group of students from 10 to 15 will be given a topic and they will express their opinions on the topic and they will discuss the pros and cons and they will arrive at a conclusion of that one. This is what we call group discussion. Right. Why do they conduct a group discussion? What is the necessity for the companies to conduct group discussion? Yes, it is an important tool with which the company is able to assess the personality of an individual, whether he is a growth mindset or negative mindset, whether he is flexible, whether he has flexibility, whether he has etc. etc. That's all. So I'd like to conclude and see how this is going to happen. Thank you.